Children, how are you all? Yes, my listeners, my young, energetic leaders, I hope you all are fine. And hope you have started reading the stories. Yes, storybooks, as I told you. And you told me that you love me. So I hope if you love me, you must have definitely started reading the storybooks. So, in your collection, I'll add on one more story today of Tenali Rama. So, it's a very interesting story. Many of you must be knowing about Tenali Rama. And there is this serial Tenali Rama on Sub TV also. So, you must have seen many episodes also. In this Tenali Rama serial, there are many different episodes with different problems, with different moral values. In this, each and every episode, you either learn something, some moral value, and you will also see that Tenali Rama, who was so intelligent, how nicely, how wittily he used to solve the problems of King Krishna Dev Raya. Yes, King Krishna Dev Raya. So children, this story is about the red peacock. You have this chapter, lesson 3, the red peacock. It's about Tenali Rama. And who was Tenali Rama? Tenali Rama was the cleverest minister of King Krishna Dev Raya. He was very loyal minister of Krishna Dev Raya. Whenever Krishna Dev Raya used to stuck somewhere, used to face any problem in the court, there was any problem, he used to ask Tenali Rama to solve it, to help him to come out of it. And Krishna Dev Raya, very wisely, he used to take the decision and help Krishna Dev Raya to come out of it. So, same way, this time also, Krishna Dev Raya again was caught in some problem, and let us see how Tenali Rama helped him out. So, King Krishna Dev Raya was very fond of collecting unusual, beautiful things from everywhere around. He used to love collecting antique things. Antique means old and which is very valuable. The old things which is very rare to find out. So he was very fond of collecting all these antique things. But many of the people used to take benefit of this for many of them used to take benefit of it and used to fool him by selling useless things. By selling him useless things and saying that they were antique. So, one day, this one minister called Alpabuddhi came to Krishna Dev Raya. And he told to the king that he had brought a very special gift for King Krishna Dev Raya. He brought a red peacock for King Krishna Dev Raya. And as soon as king saw this red peacock, he was amazed. He was surprised to see this red peacock, then this exotic bird. Exotic, beautiful, very rare, very unusual. So, he immediately asked Alpabuddhi, from where did you get this red peacock? Alpabuddhi exaggerated the whole story. He fooled King Krishna Dev Raya, saying that he traveled a lot all over the world. He wandered here and there, crossed 7 mountains, seas, forests, and to find such exotic bird for king. And he spent a lot of money, he said to Krishna Dev Raya. After hearing this, Krishna Dev Raya immediately told to his treasurer that you must return this money, refund this money, whatever money has been spent by Alpabuddhi on this expedition. Expedition means the long journey for some purpose. That is called expedition. So he told to the treasurer that return whatever money has been spent by Alpabuddhi, return it to him, refund it to him. As soon as Tenali Rama heard this, after listening, he told to Krishna Dev Raya that please let us wait for some days and see whether this bird is suitable for this environment or not, whether he can stay here or not. And please give me some days, some time to, before paying this, please give me some time to find out few more such peacocks to find such more peacocks for this red peacock, so that they all friends can live together and this red peacock will not feel lonely. So King Krishna Dev Raya accepted. He said, okay, I'll give you few days, you find out few more peacocks for this peacock so that they all can live happily here. And as soon as Alpabuddhi, he heard about it, he knew that definitely this King Krishna Dev, this Tenali Rama will definitely expose him, will find out the truth and he will be caught. Because Tenali Rama, when he saw the peacock, after seeing the peacock, he understood that this peacock is nothing rare, but a simple peacock has been painted red. But he did not have any proof, so he could not prove it. So he was waiting, he wanted some time to find out the truth. So Tenali Rama, what he did, he was imagining how can this colorful red bird stay in the peacock, in this wild animal, in the forest. How can he live there? He understood it's definitely not a red peacock, it's a normal peacock. So now Tenali Rama went home and he told that in 2 weeks he'll be back with few more peacocks. And he went home and he told to his men, his spies, detectives, he told to them to find out the painter who had painted this red peacock. So he sent his people all around the town to find out the painter. The men went out and tried to find out the peacock. They roamed here and there, and finally one day they found that painter who had painted the peacock red. And the painter was brought in front of Tenali Rama. Painter was afraid. He trembled. Trembled means he was afraid. He started fumbling. But Tenali Rama told to the painter, don't be afraid. You will get a reward for such a wonderful painting, but I want you to paint such 10 more red peacocks and you will get a big handsome reward for your work, because you had painted the peacock so very nicely that everyone got fooled. So within few days, the painter started painting this red peacocks, and Tenali Rama sent the town crier in the town to make an announcement that 10 red amazing peacocks display will be there in Krishna Dev Raya's court on the next day. And all the people, they gathered there. They were waiting to see all 10 red peacocks. What a scene it would be. So they all the village people, the town people, they all gathered there in the court. People thronged the palace. Thronged means they all gathered in the large number. So everyone was waiting for Tenali Rama, and Tenali Rama came there in the court with all these 10 peacocks. So everyone was amazed looking at the peacock. Now, King Krishna Dev Raya asked him that, how did you find all these 10 peacocks? How much did you spend? So, tell me. So, I'll give you the expedition cost, the money which you have spent for all these 10 peacock. So, the one more peacock, 11th peacock was already there of Alpabuddhi. So, there were 11 red peacock. What a glorious sight it was. Such a beautiful sight. All 11 peacocks in the court. People were enjoying it. And as soon as Krishna Dev Raya asked for the expedition cost, Tenali Rama replied, nothing more than few buckets of water, some red color, and 10 gold coins for this great artist who had painted such beautiful peacocks. So, as soon as this Krishna Dev Raya heard about it, he was shocked. He got annoyed. He got so annoyed that he started shouting at Alpabuddhi, and he understood his mistake, that he was fooled by this greedy minister Alpabuddhi, and he was wondering at the painter. The king was wondering at the painter, how could the painter paint so beautiful peacock? Then the greedy minister Alpabuddhi's game was over. Tenali Rama told to king, I just wanted to make you understand that how people were trying to fool you. But I did not have any proof. So I asked for you few days. And this is what people are taking the advantage of your fondness, telling you that they are unusual things and trying to make you fool. So, for so many years, so many people have tried to fool you. So the king got very much annoyed and he shouted at Alpabuddhi. Alpabuddhi knew now the game is over. He started pleading Krishna Dev Raya to forgive him. So Krishna Dev Raya said to the Alpabuddhi that you will be forgiven only at one chance. You will get only on one point, that you will get the forgiveness only at one point, that you have to return all the money which you have taken from me previously, saying that they were antique things. So you have to return all the money which you had received from me, and you are banished for a month. As a punishment, you are banished for a month from this court. And Tenali Rama said, now you just be careful, don't get fooled from such ministers. And Tenali Rama said that to the king, that please, I request you, please keep this painter, give him some good job, who had painted so very well. So the painter was hired by the king. He was given a very good job, so that he need not work for such dishonest people. And the painter was pleased. And suddenly, as it was a rainy season, it started raining, and right in front of Krishna Dev Raya's eyes, people saw the rainwater changing the exotic red peacocks into a blue ordinary peacock. You can see this red peacock changing into blue peacock here. And everyone laughed and praised Tenali Rama for his wisdom. And Krishna Dev Raya was also pleased that Tenali Rama again had saved him by getting fool. And he accepted, Krishna Dev Raya accepted his mistake. And people were so happy that they said that we are really lucky to have Tenali Rama, such a wise minister and such a nice king who does not bother to accept his mistake. Though he is a king, but he accepted his mistake. So what do you learn from this lesson, children? Whenever you go wrong, try to accept your mistake. Accept the mistake. Whatever mistake has been done, learn from your mistake. We all are human beings. Everyone makes mistake. But we should know to accept the mistake and learn some lesson and try never repeat it again. Try to never repeat it again. Okay, children? So, I hope you all are clear with this. Understood the story well? Yes?